I'm out here with Justin McKeithen this morning. While the leaves are still on the pecan orchard out here, our objective is to find any dead trees and we'll mark them with surveyor's tape. Also, Justin's going to put it on the map and later on enter it into the GPS so we can come back this winter and replace any dead trees that we might have out here, or even trees that aren't doing too well. I'm probably going to go ahead and replace those as well. But Justin, tell them about what you want to do here.
Yeah, so we have a map that we've made of the two major pecan orchards from two primary plantings from 1977 and 2018 and 2019 when we did this planting here of the younger trees. And we've got these color and shape coded on our map. We'll determine which ones are alive and which ones are not, and how we want to replace those with what species, and we can adjust it in our GIS from that point on.
I should say Justin he's one of our research technicians out here, and he works for Dr. Ajay Sharma. They are forest ecology section of our center. Justin doesn't work directly for me. He works for Dr. Sharma, who's one of 9 professors that are out here that work in various disciplines. But he has expertise, of course, in trees, but he also has expertise in GPS. So he's always volunteered to help me out with this business, and so we enjoy doing it. Let's go find some dead trees.
All right.
Yeah.
There's one that died, but not how the rest of them are doing pretty good.
Yeah, the Chinese chestnuts are doing fine. So I see one down there. It looks like the webworms got that one. We're gonna have to replace it, and there's another one over here.
Yeah, there for sure.
Also, these that are down here in this drain don't seem to do as well either.
Especially on this wet year, I imagine it's really.
Yeah. So
that's 1, 2, 3 back.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and mark it, and then we'll. I don't know if did you remember to bring some marking tape?
Yeah.
All right, we'll put some marking tape on it, so when we come back this winter, when the leaves are off, we can find the right tree to replace. So, like I said, it looks like we did spray for webworms. But looks like the webworms got this tree. Now there's a possibility it could come back, but I don't think so. So we'll plan on going ahead and replacing this one. Now we've got another one over here dead as well. I'm not so sure what got it. You can see it's brittle, got dead wood on it. Again, we're in a drain here. The trees, of course, those trees don't look too bad on down further, but I think sometimes some of these trees struggle on some of this wet ground. Justin's gonna mark the trees with the tape, and we'll come back, and we got to figure out how many to order. I think I'm gonna replace these Justins with all with Stewart's this year. You know, Stewart's the best pecan for around here, and everybody likes them. They're a good tasting pecan. When you shell them, they seem to bust out in halves, you know, perfectly. And they do well here. They were actually developed here, right around in this area. Did I say Stewart? I meant Elliott's.
Elliott's, yeah.
Elliott's. Sorry.
But Stewart's are popular too.
Stewart's are popular, but Elliott's are the pecan that I'm thinking of. So we will replace any dead trees with Elliott's. That's the one that was developed around here, not Stewart. Yeah. Got to replace 2 over here.
They may not have lived long past planting.
Yep.
Tractors probably took them out.
Yep. So yeah, we definitely got this one right here is not doing well at all. We're going to go ahead and replace it. We're going to put a tape on it. Yeah, just not gonna make it, you know. So Might as well replace them while we're replacing.
I'll come back and put flags where those are missing.
Okay.
Pretty healthy here, but down there in the open, I think it's
Yeah, and there's a couple on this next row up here.
It's funny how the health of these trees stands out so much more.
Yeah.
I guess there's a few just kind of random ones out there that look extra good.
Yep. That may be some varietal difference, you know.
Could be.
I still hadn't seen a pecan, not one.
Not noticed.
I've got one here that we definitely need to replace out in this big orchard. So we'll get it marked. Looks like we'll probably go ahead and replace that one right there. I don't know though. It's got, what do you think? You're the
Like
forester.
the top broke out and it's resprouting. We can look at the general health. That one did similar. Hardwood that apparently like to do that.
Yeah, looks like we got a gap right here. I guess we go ahead and let this one ride.
You replace it. It's got healthy foliage, but it looks like a disease or something keeps getting in it.
Yeah.
From the top down.
Go ahead and mark it for replacement. We'll put a new tree there.
Pull around over here and
yep,
mark that one too.
Exactly. Looks like somebody I'll walk down there and get that ribbon off of that one down. We don't want to replace that. You see it?
No,
it's got a ribbon. The red tag on there was just a variety tag that from when we bought it. You can see it was a Elliott, 45-foot Elliott when we
yeah, it's sort of a squirrely little part of the orchard there.
Right.
Live ones. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Right next to it. There's one missing.
Yeah, there's one missing in that row.
I have to come back with just some pin flags and stick them in the ground.
Yeah, that sounds good.
That way they'll know where to plant them.
There's supposed to be one right here, or not?
Yeah, what I'm seeing here is 3 circles.
Right.
1, 2, 3, and then that's about where we're at in the shade of this tree. There actually should be one straight ahead.
Okay. Go ahead and mark them then.
Actually, that is the one that I marked. We'll replace that one.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's doing too well. Let's go ahead and replace it.
I have that one circled actually. And this one's missing.
Yep. And then that's it, right?
There's one missing out on the edge.
Is there?
Did that one? Hurricane get that one?
Yes. No. Lightning struck that tree.
Okay.
And actually had about a month ago had it cut down and had the stump ground on it.
This row is missing.
Yeah, we're missing one right in here somewhere.
It doesn't show anything up in those oaks, which makes sense.
Yep.
That one's there. That one's healthy.
Yep.
Okay.
I think our work is done.
Yeah. Yeah, all Elliott's makes it easy to update everything.
Yeah. I'm gonna get the biggest trees we can get. I think if you go up beyond the 6 to 7 footers, if you go beyond that, they have to make special arrangements for shipping.
Right.
Where I'm buying them from. And in fact, you can get them all the way up to a 9-foot tall tree, but
right.
They're $150 a pop, and they're I think you have to go get them.
Yeah, range for delivery.
Yep. So we'll probably go with the 6 to 7 footers to get them.
I'm counting 19.
19, wow. Okay.
11. cutting that one out.
18.
If you want to.
No, I want to go ahead and do it. I mean, I'm probably going to retire here in a couple years, and I want to get this done before because you never know what the next center director is going to do. You know?
Right. If you get big trees, it's harder to. Well, I say that.
Yeah.
It's harder to get rid of them, but then again.
Yeah.
At least they're further along, I guess.
All right, so 18, you're going to update the GPS file?
Yeah.
Make them all Elliott's.
Okay.
Anyway, hey man, I appreciate you.
Yeah, anytime.
Appreciate you doing this for me.
I'm glad we can get together on it and get it over with so we can move forward and get your get a planning. So.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Check you later.